This is the Clockwork Pi PicoCalc. It's a DIY programmable calculator. But what if I told you that with a few built-in tricks, this thing can browse social media, download code from GitHub, and even let you create your own apps right on the device? We're going to forget just crunching numbers and unlock its full potential as a true pocket-sized computer. Getting started is simple. All you need is your PicoCalc and a computer to install the custom MicroPython firmware. Turn off your PicoCalc and then flip it to the back. Now hold the boot select button while plugging in a micro USB cable to the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now on the Picoware GitHub page, click on Builds, then MicroPython, and download the variant that matches your Raspberry Pi Pico in the back of your PicoCalc. Make sure to also download the entire apps folder. Now you simply drag and drop that downloaded UF2 onto the drive that appeared. It will copy over and then eject once it's finished. From there, you can unplug the micro USB cable and then turn on your PicoCalc. And you're in. This firmware is the key to everything, as it comes packed with all the tools you need right out of the box. We're talking powerful libraries, a complete app system, and an on-device code editor. In this video, we'll explore the libraries that give you total hardware control, check out the ecosystem of pre-built apps, and then dive into creating and running your own scripts. I'll show you how to code on the go, and for when you need more power, how to use a professional IDE. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the secret sauce, the built-in libraries. The custom firmware isn't a blank state. It's a fully loaded toolkit. It includes special libraries to control all the hardware, saving you the headache of finding and installing them yourself. It's pretty much the batteries included approach, which I think sets the PicoCalc apart. You get immediate access to drawing on the display, using the extra PS RAM for bigger projects, and making asynchronous HTTP requests to connect to online APIs. These async requests are incredibly powerful, allowing your device to fetch live data from the internet without freezing the system. With libraries for SD card management and more, you can skip writing low-level code and import what you need to get straight into building. This is what makes turning an idea into a working project so fast on the PicoCalc. Now for one of the coolest features. There's custom apps. The apps folder you downloaded earlier should be added to your SD card. If you don't already have one, create a folder called Picoware and then drag the entire apps folder inside. Now you have access to nearly 30 custom apps ready to go. This isn't just a calculator, it's pretty much a digital multi-tool. More than just novelties, these open source apps are perfect examples for learning. You can look at their code to see how they were built and apply those techniques to your own projects. These apps showcase what the hardware is capable of. You'll find everything from system utilities to fun applications. There's a GitHub downloader to pull code directly from repositories, and even a social media client called Flip Social. You also get practical tools like a text editor, a file manager, and system diagnostics. This collection gives you a complete tour of the device's capabilities from the moment you turn it on. Exploring these apps is the best way to discover what's possible before writing a single line of code. After seeing what the pre-built apps can do, it's time to create your own. Now, the firmware includes a brilliant app system that makes it incredibly simple to turn your Python scripts into standalone apps. In my opinion, this is a massive leap forward from other microcontrollers that require a complex flashing process to run code. The app system handles all the heavy lifting, letting you focus on your idea. Any Python script you write can become an app in the main menu. Just write your code, save it to the correct folder, and the system automatically does the rest. Rebooting the device and seeing your own pre-built app is incredibly satisfying. It's a game changer. You can build a custom tool for your workflow, a simple game, or an app that pulls data from a website. This turns the PicoCalc from a device you simply use into a platform you actively build upon. The next trick makes the PicoCalc a truly portable development tool. You can write and run MicroPython code directly on the device itself, no computer needed. This feature fully embraces the spirit of portable computing. Imagine tweaking code on your commute, prototyping an idea at a coffee shop, or patching a bug in the field. It's a level of freedom most development hardware doesn't offer. The firmware includes a built-in editor, accessible right from the menu. You can create new files and start coding with the keyboard. It's perfect for making quick fixes, testing an idea on the fly, or learning MicroPython without being tied to a desk. Now, while it's not a full-blown IDE, it's still incredibly powerful for what it is and encourages constant experimentation. You're carrying a programmable computer that's ready for your next idea at any moment. When you're ready to build something more complex, there's a seamless workflow for that too. For advanced scripting, you connect your PicoCalc to a computer and use the Thonny IDE. Now, Thonny is designed specifically for MicroPython, offering a level of integration other editors can't match. Plus, it automatically detects your device, giving you direct access to its internal file system. As a beginner-friendly yet powerful IDE, Thonny lets you see your device's files, run code directly on it, and get real-time feedback in the command shell or the REPL. This interactive shell is fantastic for testing commands and seeing instant results. This creates the ultimate workflow. Sketch out an idea on the go with the on-device editor, then plug into your computer and use Thonny for heavy lifting and debugging. It's pretty much the best of both worlds, combining spontaneous creativity with structured, powerful development. So there you have it, 5 tricks to take your PicoCalc from a simple calculator to a portable programming powerhouse. We've covered the time-saving libraries, the ecosystem of custom apps, the system for creating your own scripts, the on-device editor for coding anywhere, and Thonny IDE for advanced projects. You've turned a simple tool into a true creative platform. Now, if this video was helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it's free. If you have any cool project ideas for the PicoCalc, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to see what you're planning to build. And subscribe for more PicoCalc projects. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.